Welcome back, my dear student. In controller, we can use simply a validator and use new validator. I use $valid and $valid. Use validate method. Validate method. Validate, and if open in validate, I open controller and validate request and use this, use validate request all and rule and message and custom. As I use this method for validate and use instead of validator. Okay, open this store method and use in this use validator. I use of dollar valid and say valid for access the valid method, use dollar this validate. Okay, dollar request or use request and all for access all data, or we can use just request and request. Okay, and say and this and close validate method and just copy this here and comment this code. This validate and request and this option. Okay, open article create or admin article or blog create. Okay, syntax and not fine. Sorry. Open blogs and error is this line and not find. Open it, update and remove this and refresh. Okay, create new article and this title new and submit, and it is work for new validate. In update we can use this, copy and paste. Okay, and remove this and back and edit and use a minimum name and error the title is less 10 character.